Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about an update that YouTube have just released for 2018. So a lot of people have heard about the update. A lot of them are not happy about it. Some of them are actually happy about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys the update and how it can actually benefit you. So I know a lot of people are negative about it. They don't think it's gonna benefit them in any way, but they don't really realize that this update that is gonna be in effect on February 20th, 2018, will actually benefit you if you're thinking about long term. So here is the update. So I'm looking at YouTube creator blog. So if you are a content creator on YouTube, you probably know what it is. You probably received an email. If you're not, if you don't really create any content or don't really know how to monetize your videos or anything like that, um, this is about, specifically about monetizing your videos. And as we know that we had to actually get 10,000 views in order to, be enrolled in the partners program with YouTube, and in order to be able to monetize your videos on YouTube. And as of February 20th, 2018, this will not be anymore, this will not work anymore. So they have new criteria for YouTube creators, for the partners. The new criteria that they have, as of looking here, is you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers, and you have to have at least 4,000 hours of watch time on your channel within the past 12 months. So if you don't have, either 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time or both, you actually have to have both. So you have to have 1,000 subscribers plus 4,000 hours of watch time. And this is not minutes, this is hours actually. And I know it's a lot, it is a lot. I will actually share with you how you're going to be able to monetize, not specifically with Google AdSense or YouTube Partners Program, but how you're going to be able to monetize to at least get some money for your time spent, creating the content that you're putting out there, and when you still haven't reached your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time within the past 12 months. So that's what you have to have. There are different ways of how you can make money on YouTube, and if you have been only using the Google AdSense, the YouTube Partners Program to monetize your videos, um, this is just a tiny bit of how much you can earn on YouTube with your YouTube videos. So I'm gonna go ahead and go over actually a couple ways that you can be able to make money even before you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. So the first way that I'm gonna share with you is you can promote affiliate offers with your videos. So when you're creating your content, you obviously have to put out a lot of value out there, a great content. The reason that I think this update is actually gonna be good for a lot of people is because a lot of people will become serious on YouTube, and they're gonna start thinking of a better content to put out there, and they're gonna grow. When you are learning and trying to improve yourself, trying to improve your content, you will actually grow. So, you're gonna become a better person, you're gonna become a better content creator, and you're gonna definitely become, a better entrepreneur if that's what you're doing, a better affiliate marketer. So, overall, it will actually help a person become a better content creator, a better person, it will grow them. So I will go ahead and share with you how you can actually make money on YouTube without having, that ability to be a part of the partners program or monetize your videos. So don't worry about the fact that they have released this update of 4,000 hours watch time of minimum, and in the past 12 months, and 1,000 subscribers. Like, don't worry about it. You can make money online without having that monetization available to you or monetizing your videos. So there's a couple ways that I'm gonna share with you of how you can make money on YouTube or with YouTube without reaching that 1,000 subscribers yet, or if you have not reached that 4,000 hours watch time within the past 12 months yet. So the first one that I will share with you is you can actually make money with affiliate promotions, with affiliate offers, and with affiliate products. So if if you're just starting out, obviously it's going to be hard for you to create your own products and things like that. So the best way for you to go about it is to promote somebody else's products. So the first thing I will show you is I have just actually released a course on how to start affiliate marketing, how to create your high converting landing page, thank you page, like a high converting funnel, so you can start building your list. That way you'll be able to actually make money with your list. And this is very important, and you will actually be able to learn how you can take those subscribers off of YouTube and put it onto your own email list. That way you're not going to be relying on YouTube alone, because you never know. What if YouTube will just one day shut down your account and your subscribers will be gone, and you're not going to have any email list or anything like that. So it's very important to start building your email list. So in this course, what I show you actually is how you can start building that email list, so you don't only rely on YouTube to keep your the place where you have subscribers. So in order to access this training, you can actually, I think, click either here or here, and go check out that course. It's 100% free. It's on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check that out. Also, I will include the link below in the description as well, so you can find that. So there is another training that I can share with you, and it's called How to Make Money Online with Affiliate Marketing. This you will find on my channel. You can click either here or here, wherever you see that little note pop up. So go ahead and check that training as well. That training will actually show you how I make money as an affiliate marketer with affiliate promotions. And just a few words when I'm talking about making money with affiliate promotions or affiliate products is when you actually create a video, record a video of you talking about some kind of product that you want to promote. So you share all the benefits, everything that it can do for the consumer, and you include the link of the product, your affiliate link, your special link where they actually go click, and when they buy, you get a percentage from the sale. So you will actually include that link, in the description. I will go ahead and actually show one of the videos as an example for you guys. Let me just go ahead and show you really quick. Okay, so this video that I have just created, when was it? Actually like a year ago. So January 8th, 2017, a little over a year ago. I have created this video and I posted this video on my channel, and it got like over 13,000 views so far, and I'm still getting sales from this video. So I pretty much talked about a product that is helping me with my Facebook ads, that is helping me to drop my Facebook ad website click cost to like 6 cents per website click. So I was getting those results, so I recorded this video and I shared the tool with with my audience that I'm using in order to get those kind of results. So I showed exactly how I set up my ad, exactly what I use, and then I told, if you guys want to use the same tool, go ahead and click the link below the video. And I included my affiliate link below the video. So that's what I'm talking about when I'm saying that you can promote affiliate products on YouTube and make money with it as well. And in fact, you're gonna be able to make a lot more money than just with YouTube Partners program. So I was able to make a few $1,000s with this video, and I would not obviously be able to make that with just one video with the YouTube Partners program. So the update that they have, they're releasing is actually gonna be good. Like whether you realize it or not, it's actually gonna be good for a lot of people, because a lot of people will start looking into other ways of how they can make money on YouTube. So, and this is one of the best ways to make it is with affiliate promotions or affiliate products. So I usually promote digital products with my YouTube videos, but you can also become like an affiliate with like Amazon, or something similar to that. This is the most popular one. You can simply Google become an affiliate with Amazon, and it will actually show you exactly how you can become an Amazon associate, is what they call. So that way you can actually promote real physical products with your videos. Let's say you're passionate about travel or something. You can, your channel is about travel, let's say. You can simply go become an affiliate or associate with Amazon, and you can find different things that will help people in their traveling, like suitcases. I mean, there's a lot of things that you can think of, and I will actually go ahead and just type in travel on Amazon, and it will give me a few different options you can find. So, I mean, there's so many different physical products that you can promote in your videos when you become an associate. So there's like different cases, there is razors, like for travel and travel folding, soft toothbrush. There's so many different physical products that you can also promote with your videos, and put your affiliate link below, in the description of your videos, and make money with that as well. So you can simply start doing affiliate marketing on YouTube. Obviously don't just pitch people all the time. Provide a lot of value videos when where you don't pitch or you don't sell anything. But also, don't be afraid to sell things on YouTube, because when you're providing that great content to people on YouTube, people will be your loyal subscribers, your loyal fans will be ready to buy anything from you. So whatever you're gonna promote in the next video, if that's something that they would love to have, they're gonna go ahead and buy it. So as long as you're providing a lot of value and great content on your YouTube channel. So those are the things that I wanted to go over with you guys. So if you have not reached your 1,000 subscribers yet, or 4,000 hours watch time in the past 12 months, and you're not even close to that, don't worry, don't get disappointed, don't get discouraged, because there's a ton of different ways how you can make money with YouTube. So if you find this video valuable, if you like the information that I shared with you guys, click the thumbs up and go ahead and actually comment below if you did find it valuable, and if that's something that you have as your plan for 2018, or your goal to make happen in 2018. Also, I'm gonna include all the links that I've talked about below in the description, and go ahead and check them out. You'll learn how to do affiliate marketing as a digital entrepreneur, online marketer, and also you can go ahead and research on how to become an affiliate with Amazon and start promoting Amazon products once you become an affiliate in your videos. So that's it for this video. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Blessings. Bye-bye.